Amigas, if you're somebody who loves breakfast, you're going to want to stay here because I'm going to show you how to make a delicious breakfast burrito. All you have to do is pack your burritos up, throw them in a thermos, and they're ready to eat at whatever time of the day. So let's go ahead and make them. We are going to make a chile de árbol salsa, so for that I'm going to use some green tomatillos. We also need to roast our chiles de árbol. Now for some oil. And so these can cook a little faster, let's cover them up. With our salsita, we also need some onion. Now let's add our onion onto the griddle. And we also need some garlic. Our chiles are ready to pull off. They're nice and toasted. We want to cover up our tomatillos, onion, and garlic for a little longer. While our veggies for our salsa are cooking up, we're going to start chopping up our bacon for our burrito. For our bacon, we are using a thick cut. I like using thick cut for our burritos just because it's going to make it a little more meaty and you're just going to be able to taste all the flavors. Our tomatillos are ready to flip. They're nice and charred on one side. Now let's get the other side charred. They're also changing colors, which is exactly what we're looking for. We're going to let these sit on the griddle for about 3 more minutes. This is what our chiles should look like. They have that little char. They're not too burned. They are perfect to start blending. We need to blend our chiles first before adding anything, especially with chiles de árbol, just because we need to make sure these shred nicely. The chile is blended in really small pieces, which is perfect for our salsa. Our tomatillos, garlic, and onion are done, so let's add it to the blender. For my burritos, I don't like a chunky salsa, so I'm going to add a little bit of water to my blender. Y ustedes ya saben que más le pongo a mi salsa, Knorr chicken bouillon. Y también que no nos falte la sal. Ahora sí, listo. Let's blend. Oh, it smells really spicy. Watch, smell it. Our salsa is ready. It's kicking with flavor, some tang, that spice. Now it's time to cook up our thick bacon. For bacon, I'm not going to add oil to the griddle because the bacon itself releases a lot of oil. I want that bacon juice to give my eggs some flavor, the sausage. I want to season my bacon up with some salt, pepper, garlic seasoning from Blackstone. As our bacon is cooking, let's get started on cutting up our Teton sausage. I'm using the Jalapeño Cheddar bratwurst. It tastes perfect with my egg and some cheese and bacon. To our sausage and bacon, we're going to add some garlic powder for extra flavor. I'm so excited to try the sausage. You can taste the jalapenos, the cheese. The meat is so juicy. So good. You want to try it? So that's very hot. Oh, it has a little spice to it too.
Yeah, wow. Oh man, that is really good.
Bomb. Time for the eggs. We're going to pour these onto the sausage and bacon so we could scramble them in. And of course, I love me some cheese, so let's pour some cheese over it. And we can't have a burrito without tortillas, so let's warm up our tortillas. Our tortillas are ready. Amigas, our burritos are ready and I'm ready for the taste test. Ready? It is so good. Amigas, I hope you enjoyed this delicious, simple recipe. Let me know in the comments if you make it. Put a little burrito emoji if you make the burrito, okay? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the Blackstone YouTube page. Provecho, amigas. Bye. Love you guys.